So we will begin today with story problems, writing our own, okay? So I've been putting them on the board, and today let's practice doing your own. So let's start with the some, more. But when you do your some, more, I want you to use a doubles facts. Hopefully you know your doubles facts. You should, right? So you pick whichever one you want. You don't have to say it out loud. You pick whichever doubles facts you want and create me a some, more in words. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we're doing a some, more story problem using one of our doubles facts. So you pick, whatever items you want to add up together, you pick that. But that's what we're doing right now. Some, more. Yes. You understand, Asa? Okay. All right. You can go ahead. I'll give y'all about 2 minutes. Shouldn't take y'all too long. Wow. We did have to create some, more, but let's see who followed all of the instructions, because what kind of facts were we supposed to use? Double. So let's see who did doubles facts. All right, Asa, you can share yours.
Mine is Jen had 2 cards, and her mom gave her 2 more cards.
Good. So Jen had 2 cards. Her mom gave her 2 more. How many would she have left, guys? How many would she have at the end together? 4. So yes, good job. Okay, Braylee, let me hear. 4 more. Good. She had 4. What was her name? Sue had 4 apples, and she picked 4 more apples. How many apples will Sue have now? 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Good job. Elijah?
Dad has 2 balls, and Mom gave 2 more balls.
Good. Dad had 2 balls. Mom gave him 2 more. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Good job. Cairo?
Tom bought 10 more.
Okay. Tom had 10 apples. He bought 10 more apples. 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay, David?
Austin had 3. John gave him 3 more.
Okay, Austin had 3 apples. Who? Don?
Austin?
John gave him 3 more. Good, man. There won't be any apples at the store after all that shopping y'all did with all the apples. Okay, go ahead, Kendall. He had 3 balls, and they gave him 3 more. 1. Oh, so it's 1 plus 3. Okay, that does equal 4, but that wasn't a doubles fact. But yes, that is a some more, but I wanted a doubles fact. But good job. Okay, Tevin. Okay, yes, he did have 3 markers and got 2 more. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That is a some more, but it's not a doubles fact. Okay, Micah.
Sam picked 4 fish and caught 4 more.
Sam caught 4 fish, and then he caught 4 more. 4 plus 4 equals
8.
Good. That's a doubles fact. Good job. Okay, so good, guys, for creating a some more. But remember, I did say I wanted a doubles fact. So for next time, make sure you listen closely to the full instructions. But good job. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. A some went away.
Where at?
Some
at the back.
Yeah. Some went away. So now I am losing. So you can pick whichever fact you want. We didn't really get into subtraction yet. So you can pick whichever fact you want. But we're doing a some went away. We're losing. Losing? All right. So go ahead and work on that one. I'll give you about 2 or 3 minutes. Good. Bill had 4 eggs. 1 rolled off the table. 4 minus 1 equals. He only has 3 left. Good. Elijah?
Mom has 2 drinks. He gave 1 to Dad.
Mom had 2 drinks. She gave 1 to Dad. How many does she have left?
1.
1.
2 minus 1.
All right, Asa.
Dad had 3 water guns. He gave Nick won.
Good. He had 3 water guns and he gave Nick 1. How many does he have left? How many?
2.
2. Good. All right. Let's do Cairo.
Had 10 apples. Ate 5 of his apples. Helping the other.
Good. He had 5 and he ate 2. Or he ate 5?
5.
Oh, he ate 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. Tevin?
Red had 3 apples. 1 rolled away.
Okay, he had 5, you said?
3.
Okay, and 1 rolled away. Good.
No, that's not the
All right, David. All right.
Has 5 apples. 2 rolled away.
He had 5 apples, 2 rolled away. How many does he have left?
3.
3. Good. All right, good job, guys, with your sum went away. Awesome. All right, let's cover a couple of things on the board. And no, I didn't. And then we'll move on to writing. Okay, let's go ahead and cover pennies. Remember, when pennies, we count by ones. So count my first amount up here.
I know this. I know. Already. I'm gonna this. This is easy. I know it. I know this.
Hey, Brayley, how much money? 10 what? 10 cents. Remember, guys, the coins, 10 cents. All right, this one. All right. Okay, Asa, how much?
3 cents.
3 cents. Good. All right, what shape is this here? Could anyone tell me what shape this one is? Kendall, it's a what? It's a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? How many sides does a rectangle have?
4.
4 is 4 lines that made the rectangle. And how many angles does a rectangle have? Mm-hmm. 4. Angles are your corners. Good. All right, awesome. All right, so that's it for our math. Let's go ahead and move on to writing, guys. You can get out your letters book. We're on letter G today, lowercase letter G.
Page what?
That's what I'm getting now.
Oh, so it's
Page 27. Page 27, lowercase letter G.
I've been found this because I put the last.
Okay.
I've been there. No, I already did that. No, before you got out of my name. My name is ready on it. Oh, guys, hi. My name is Ben on this. In the name. Oh. Oh, he was right. He right. No.
All right, so page 27, letter G. No. They like to hear themselves talk. That's why they like to ask the same question over and over again. All right, let's look at letter G.
The letter G is too big.
All right, so lowercase letter G, let's go ahead and review it. So of course, lowercase letter G will start here on the middle dotted line. First thing we do is we curve around. We close our G, then we come down off our line, loop towards the front, and kick it out. That is G. Again, start on the middle line, curve around, close it down, loop towards our front, kick it out again, curve around, down, close it. One more.
I can't see.
Okay. All right. Do we have G? Yep. All right. Y'all can go ahead and begin. Letter G. Start on the warm up on the top, and then you can finish the rest. For this week, in writing, we will be practicing our sentences with both proper nouns of places and proper nouns of persons. So now we should be at a point where we can look at a sentence and we can identify what the proper nouns are. And also we should know what to do with those proper nouns that we see in the sentence. So anytime you see a proper noun, what do you do? Just tell me. Capitalize it. So let's look at number 1. So remember, just like yesterday, I read all 3 of them. I'll do the same thing today. I'll read all 3 and then you can do all 3. So number 1 says, I like to play with Ben. What's your proper noun in here? I like to play with Ben. Ben, that's a boy's name. So we would capitalize Ben. Number 2, Greg went to Chevron to put gas. What's our proper? We have 2 in here. What are the 2 proper nouns? Asa?
Greg.
Greg and?
Chevron.
And Chevron. Good. Greg and Chevron. That's a gas station. That's a proper noun. Number 3, we ate dinner at Texas Roadhouse. We ate dinner at Texas Roadhouse. What's our proper noun in here? Texas Roadhouse. It's a restaurant and they have good bread too. But anyway, Texas Roadhouse. So look, Texas Roadhouse is split into 2 words. Do I capitalize both? Yes, I do. So I will capitalize Texas and Roadhouse. All right. So go ahead, guys. Write your sentences. I'm trying to get this glare. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna give you another one. Trying to get the glare out of here. All right, you can go ahead and begin writing all 3 of them. All 3, just like yesterday. You can write all 3. You have any questions, Asa? No? Okay, y'all can begin.
I.
Capitalize I.
Capitalize the B.
B and Ben, and how do I finish it?
On top of What's the period?
Good. With the period.
Right.
Circle special sign WH. Number 2, Greg went to Chevron to get gas. Okay, Kendall, how do we write this one correctly? Capital G, which we're learning tomorrow. Capital G. C in Chevron, the gas station. And a period at the end. Good. And number 3, we ate dinner at Texas Roadhouse. Brayley? Capitalize my W and we. T in Texas. The R in Roadhouse. How do I finish it? Good job. Okay. Did we do everything right? Did we miss a few things? Seems like most were right. I think there were a couple of things we had to, okay? So guys, remember, every time even though I did read them for you, you always have to make sure to read them again. And then after you read them, identify your proper nouns and what needs to be capitalized. And as you're writing it, take your time so that you make sure you're capitalizing all of the proper nouns. All right, good job. Okay, that's it for writing. We'll move on to our phonics lesson, starting with our charts. All right, let's begin. Let's go over charts 7 and 8. No. Y'all listen to me like real good because I think there's a disconnect of you understanding. I only let those who actually pay attention and who are listening during lessons to do that. You can get the charts. Don't ask me that. Like I'm gonna say no every single time.
Can I get my binder?
Not so much.
I was.
Oh, you took it home yesterday? Go ahead and get it. Okay, listen. Let's go ahead and begin. Let's go over chart 7. All right, VR.
In 5.
DR says jur in drum. VR says
DR says and it says it's
okay. DR says cur. I hear a few of you. W says squawk. SEL says bull, and slash. CR says spur, and sprain. SCR says skirt, and screen. SQ says squat. Kendall, you get chart 8. And stack. SL says so and sleep. STR says sure and stream. SW says swap
and swim.
All right, good. So chart 8, remember I will say the sound first. You say it after me because this is one of our newer charts. So THR says third in 3.
THR says in 3.
AR says R in stars.
AR says R in stars.
CH says in church.
CH says in church.
OR says or in morning. Q says ow and out.
You said ow.
OW says ow and owl.
OW says ow and owl.
OW says o and bow.
OW says and bow.
ER says and verse.
ER says in verse.
UR says in nurse.
UR says
Says in bird.
IR says in bird.
OI says oi in coin.
OI says oi.
OY says oi in boy. OO says in book.
O
Says ooh in two. WOR says were in worms. IGH says I in night.
IGH says I and die.
ALL says all in ball.
ALL says all in ball.
ALK says awk in walk.
ALK says all in walk.
Awesome. All right, so that's chart 8. Today we are moving on to our next two sounds, which are CH and OR. But before we do that, let's practice some words here. We'll circle some sounds and read some words like normal. All right, Brayley, you can start us off. I didn't say that. I would never say that. Figure it out. What's the word? That's TWI. That was a sharp vowel I. Twist. Okay, next one. 7.
Because ours, but Carson reading her October. They turned different.
Okay, put that down. That was the word. DU is not a special sound. That's a vowel.
And then she don't change it. Oh, you said for the D. Sorry.
That's not a special sound at all. SK is a special sound. D is not. DU is not. You have to mark the vowel.
Brown. It's not moving because that's scary. My hair is not brown. Don't distract me, please.
I'm gonna shock you. Well, that's good. Praise the Lord. SK is a special sound, and you mark your vowel.
What? Put a line over the my face over you.
I can't tell you. You have to know what to do. Dusk. Okay, next one, Micah. Didn't I tell you to put it down?
Are we done?
Almost.
186. So, feel that too.
Okay, what's the word?
Feel that too. Nothing.
Please. Okay, Asa, next one, the word. Oh, well, sounds, and then tell me the word.
FR.
FR and
The Y.
good. What's the word?
Fry.
And can you also do this one for me? What's my special sound?
SL.
SL, and how do I mark the vowels?
A line over the E.
Line over E.
Across at the other two.
Okay, what's the word?
Sneeze.
That's a V.
Sleeve.
Sleeve. Good. All right, guys, let's go over our sounds for CH that says ch and OR that says or.
Or and more.
All right, so let's look at our first one. So I have CH, start vowel EF, CK, the word is check. Next, OR, or, the word is horn. Next one, CH, ARR, the word is heart. OR, or, the word is
War.
next one, sharp vowel U, CH, the word is
Dutch.
and last one, OR, or, the word is
Corn.
corn. Awesome. All right, let's look at our words here. What are these words called when we have two small words that we put together to make it into one big word? What is that called? Compound words. So pancake, what are my two small words? Tell me. Pan and cake. Sailboat, what are the two small words? Sail and boat. And tugboat, what are the two small words? Good. Awesome. All right, so that is it for our phonics lesson. Good job. So we'll meet later on to do our reading, language, science, and social studies, and spelling, all of that. All right, so Asa, see you later this afternoon. Bye-bye.
Bye, Asa.